Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this dragon look. My look was inspired by Kaylee MUA on Instagram, although the original dragon look was done by FaceBeat a while ago. Before we get started, I want to kindly ask you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and yeah, let's get started. I started the look by applying my The Ordinary Coverage Foundation all over my face. I'm almost running out of it, so I'm trying to finish it. And I blended the foundation using a beauty sponge. I applied some concealer on my under eyes, but I skipped the side where the dragon eye is going to be because there was no point in applying concealer there. It's going to be painted pink anyways. Then used my RCMA No Color powder to set the concealer in place and also set the rest of my face. To contour my face, as usual, I used my Nyx Highlight and Contour Pro palette. Then I applied this blush by Makeup Forever. This is a mono, like the artist face color mono. I like that it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but not too much. I'm absolutely in love with this product at the moment. For highlighter, I use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. I use this one so much. You can see a baby pan in it already. For my brows, I first brushed them up and then filled them in using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in medium brown and an Essence eyeliner brush. For the front of my brow, I wanted to add some hair strokes, so I used my Kat Von D Signature brow pencil. Then I set my brow hairs in place using my Benefit 24-hour brow setter as usual. Now for my regular eye, let's say, I used my Nikkie Tutorials in collaboration with Beauty Bay palette and applied some blend and snap in my crease using a Juvia's Place blending brush, some slasher on my outer corner, and Roxy Catan on the lid. It's a very simple 3-shadow look because the main focus is going to be on the other eye. Also use the shade Ivy to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. For my other eyebrow, I used some hair wax to hold it in place, although I immediately regretted it because soap holds my brows a lot better than hair wax does. I covered my brow using the Wet n Wild Curl Corrector and then the Juvia's Place Shade Sticks in the shade Lima. Then I set it in place using my translucent powder. I mixed my Catrice 1 Drop Coverage Concealer with some pink eyeshadows from the Beaute Slice of Paradise palette and basically just painted pink wherever I wanted my dragon skin to be. I felt like this pink was a little bit too light, so I used my Beaute Blossom Passion palette and I used the reddish pink in the palette to cover my dragon skin area to make it a little bit darker and more intense. Then I used my Huda Beauty eye pencil to sketch the eye of the dragon. I faded the inner portion of the eye a little bit and applied some orange and yellow eyeshadows from the Beaute Slice of Paradise palette. So I applied the orange on the sides and the yellow in the center and really tried to blend the colors with each other. And finally added some black on the sides of the eye from my Makeup Addiction Sinful Eyes palette. To draw the iris, I used my Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. Here we go. And also use this gel liner to define the eye a little bit more and define the skin around the eyes as well. I used the same Sigma gel liner to draw the scales and the texture of the skin. To add some shadowing to the scales, I used a dark reddish brown from the Blossom Passion palette by Ace Beaute and a small detail brush. I wanted to make the crack on my face look more three-dimensional, so I used my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette to add some shadowing. And to make the cracks of my face look more realistic, I used my Sephora Collection waterproof pen liner to draw some details. For the highlighting points, I used some white face paint. It added some highlighting on the scales, also around the dragon skin, and most importantly in the center of my eye to create the illusion of light reflection. Finally, I lined my lips using the NYX lip pencil in the shade Toulouse. Then I applied some Sephora Collection Color Lip Last in the shade 7, which I'm pretty sure is discontinued. For my lashes I applied a thin coat of my Maybelline The Colossal Mascara, and then some false lashes by Lush Beauty. These are in the style Chic, and I use my dual lash glue to stick them to my eye. And this is the look all complete. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!